Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya once again. Today I am going to be showing you how to make Hariyali fish fry. It's a very simple recipe, so let's get started.
Take a mixer jar and add some mint leaves, coriander leaves, a few green chilies, a piece of ginger, a few cloves of garlic, a little rice flour, and squeeze some lime for sour taste. Also add salt to taste and a little water. Grind it into a fine paste for the marination. Next, marinate the fish with the ground paste. Smear the mixture evenly on all the pieces. You can take any fish of your choice. I have taken white pomfret here. Marinate it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once marinated, coat the fish evenly with semolina. Heat a little oil in a pan and shallow fry the fish on both the sides. Fry all the pieces in the same manner. Our crispy and tasty Hariyali fish fry is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.